Before we get into the video, I wanted to give you guys an as promised update on these nails where I used acrylic as the glue. Long story short, I hated them. They were popping off within 24 hours, and you guys know if you watched my previous video, I can get up to 3 weeks out of press-ons. So I actually glued a few of these back on. And those, when it came time to take them off, were stronger than the ones with acrylic. What I found that instead of providing a strong bond, it actually provided a strong wall between my natural nail and the press-on nail. So, yeah, I know it works for some people, but for me, it's a no-go. Alright, so as always, I begin by prepping my natural nail. I'm going to go ahead and cut them down because that actually helps prolong your press-on longevity, your press-on usage. To get more time out of them, cut your natural nail down, because having long natural nails under them actually causes lift. So from there, I'm just going to file my nails, buff them out, and use alcohol to dehydrate them. Now I'm going into this brush on gel, which is actually just kind of like a glorified glue, and I'm going to be brushing on a bit to the tip. There's kind of like a sunken place. The sunken place. Did you guys watch Get Out? Anyways, I'm getting off topic, but I am using it like you would normal nail glue, and I am brushing it into that little crevice and applying that top portion to my nail, and I am holding it for about 10 seconds. I make sure I press firmly on the sides and on the middle so that it's on there nice and snug. Using this cute little sponge that came in the kit, I am brushing off the excess powder, trying to do it as much over the bowl as I can to, you know, reuse, reduce, recycle. Is that the reduce, reuse, recycle, reduce waste, reuse products, recycle products? Yes? Jesus. Anyways, now I'm going back in with that brush on gel to do my second layer. Now, do what I say, not as I do, because I was forgetting to wipe it off every single time I put it back. As you'll see, I was just dipping away, but my brush did get hard, so I did have to switch out the brush midway. Just remember, it's kind of tedious to constantly wipe it off after you apply it to the nail, but if you don't, the acrylic powder will adhere to the bristles in the brush, and you're stuck with a hard, clumpy brush that you can't do anything with. So yes, remember, it's very important to wipe the brush off. It does get a little messy. I was not a fan of how messy this got. Maybe I'm just like all over the place, but just going back in with that cute little sponge now. This was actually so helpful and much better than a brush or anything else would have been. After filing and buffing, the final step is to top coat. I'm going in with this one from Beauty Secrets. And this is my final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave my other nail videos in the description. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, click the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload, and don't forget to follow me on my other social medias.